Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you have a wiring problem with your taillights on a Chevy Silverado or Chevy Tahoe? As you can see, the running lights are working on one side of the truck but not the other. Brake lights, reverse lights, everything work, but on one side the running lights aren't working, and you've checked the bulbs, checked the fuses, and it's still not working. Well, I'm going to show you how to repair the wiring on the harness that runs down to the junction box in the bed. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the video thumbs up button. Alright guys, first thing you're going to do, you're going to remove the two mounting screws that hold the tail light in place. There's one there, one there. They're Phillips. Let's get those removed. Alright, once you got those out, guys, put them on a spot where you won't lose them. I just set them in the bed of the truck. They're right there in the bed liner, or plastic bed liner. Twist it upside down here to. Alright guys, remove the tail light assembly, and then you're going to go underneath and unplug from the junction box the left hand side. Well, if you're at the rear of the vehicle, the left hand side wiring harness going to the driver's side tail light assembly. Alright guys, once you got the wiring removed underneath in the junction box, you're simply going to pull the harness up through. Get a hold of it here, caught on them clips. Alright guys, once you got it removed here, you're simply going to take a knife or a box cutter, and you're going to open the harness up. First, let's remove the clips, and this particular one broken, so we're just going to pop it out the way. So some of these clips they hold the wiring harness to the underneath to the cab. They were already broke. So now we're just going to peel back the protective coating here and take it all off. Alright guys, now we got the wire loom all removed from this harness. Now we're simply going to take this harness and we're going to check it for any broken wires or corrosion or anything like that. And I got a feeling it's in the socket itself. Yep, there doesn't appear to be any corrosion or broken wires and like that. I can see here somebody's spliced it together. At some point we'll remove it and make sure it's making a good connection here. And actually we'll get a test light and we'll check it right here where they've done this little makeshift wiring job here. Let's see here. Alright guys, so now we're going to get a test light and a battery, and we're going to check the harness. Alright guys, after we got a battery and stuff set up, we also got a voltmeter, and we were checking the wiring here at the end of the pigtail. Turns out we do have a faulty pigtail here. So instead of trying to hack it out and replace the prongs and all that crap, we're just going to order a new one. But that's how you remove the wiring harness, at least, and you check it with simply a battery and a test light and some extra pieces of scrap wire if you got laying around. So we're gonna take and we're gonna get a new harness ordered. I think a new harness is like $7, and I think you can actually on Amazon versus going to the GM dealer. But yeah, well, hopefully this video was useful for you all on at least how to diagnose if you have a tail light that's not working. And there's some food for thought, as they say. You know, if you check your bulbs, you know you got brand new bulbs, you know your fuse is good, because like I know on Hondas, they have a fuse for each side, not just for the tail lights or running lights. They have one for the left, one for the right, one for the right headlight, one for the left headlight, one for the running lights. But that's on Hondas, you know, because they don't have hardly anything as far as high tech on them on your second generations anyways. On the brand new ones, of course, they do, but that's on, you know, your first gens OBD2 models, like, you know, 97 through 2001. But hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. You'll have a great day.